we're gonna do a skimmer replacement in here. Take and pull that out. We're going to do a cleaning on this, give him a service contract. I'm gonna fix some of these rocks. He's got way too many. We're gonna take a bunch of these out, but fix them in some of his spots. Same time, gonna offer him some lights. He should really have a couple lights in here. Cleaning, and we're gonna look at some pruning. So that should be pruned up so we see this. The weeping Alaskan cedar's got to be pruned back. The beds back there just got to be cleaned out. I got some spots in here. I think we'll offer him to put some flowers in some of the spots. Same with over there. Put some flowers and stuff in here. Clean that area up. Moss, creeping plants and stuff. About a dozen or so throughout here. That's the space. So I'm with the guys. I stopped by to see them in Wanta, right? This is Wanta? Wanta. Have a client that came to us who has a pond that leaks. So what are we doing? We're pulling out his old skimmer. We're putting a new one in. We're adjusting some rocks. We cleaned out the bottom. We pruned some of the branches and get him back up and running. Hasn't run in a couple years. This is the pond. John's working on resetting the skimmer. Tony's worked on kind of cleaning it a bit down there. Get that emptied out, cleaned up. And now we've got to get our new big 1000 series skimmer in there with an adjustable opening and get this thing back up and running for him.